The question is, how much money do anime editors on YouTube make? At first glance, it seems like some of them are pulling in crazy views, 100,000, 500,000, even millions. So you'd think the money must be pretty good, right? Well, not exactly. The biggest problem: copyright. The truth is, most anime editors don't make anything at all because of one major problem: copyright. When you use anime clips or copyrighted music, YouTube's Content ID system usually picks it up instantly. And once that happens, your video gets demonetized. All ad revenue goes to the copyright holders, not you. Sometimes the video gets blocked entirely. So yeah, even if your AMV hits 1 million views, you could still make $0 from it. But what if you do get monetized? Now let's say you manage to get around copyright. Maybe you use royalty-free music, or your video just flies under the radar. You finally get that green monetization symbol. So how much can you actually make? On average, anime editors make about $8 to $10 per 10,000 views. That's lower than other niches like tech or finance, where CPMs are much higher. And depending on your audience's location, or if they use ad blockers, your revenue could be even lower. So why still edit? So if money's this limited, why even do it? For most anime editors, it's not about chasing a paycheck. It's about passion, creativity, and building something that hits.